AI is going to impact many fields.
Hello everyone, and welcome to this video on how Google's AI is transforming the future. Artificial intelligence has been a hot topic for a while now, and Google is at the forefront of its development. In this video, we'll take a closer look at how Google is using AI to transform various industries, from healthcare to finance and beyond. What is AI and how Google is using it? Before we dive into Google's AI initiatives, let's first understand what AI is. Artificial intelligence is a branch of computer science that focuses on creating machines that can perform tasks that typically require human intelligence, such as learning, reasoning, and decision-making. Google's AI is based on machine learning, a subset of AI that involves training algorithms to learn from data and improve over time. Google is using AI in various ways to transform industries. For example, in healthcare, Google is using AI to improve patient outcomes by analyzing medical images to detect diseases early. Google's AI can detect diabetic retinopathy, a leading cause of blindness, with greater accuracy than trained ophthalmologists. In addition, Google is using AI to develop personalized treatment plans for cancer patients by analyzing patient data to identify the most effective treatments. In finance, Google is using AI to improve fraud detection, enhance customer experience, and optimize trading. Google's AI can analyze large volumes of financial data to identify patterns that might indicate fraudulent activities. In addition, Google is using AI to develop chatbots that can provide customers with instant responses to their queries, thereby improving customer satisfaction. Lastly, Google is using AI to optimize trading strategies by analyzing market trends and predicting future outcomes. Google Assistant. Google AI is also transforming the way we interact with technology thanks to Google Assistant. Google Assistant is an AI-powered virtual assistant that can perform a wide range of tasks, from setting reminders to playing music and making phone calls. Google Assistant uses natural language processing (NLP), a branch of AI that enables computers to understand and respond to human language. Google Assistant is available on various devices, including smartphones, smart speakers, and smart displays. With Google Assistant, users can control their smart home devices, order food, and even book a ride, all with voice commands. In addition, Google Assistant can answer questions and provide personalized recommendations based on a user's preferences and habits. Google Translate. Another area where Google's AI is transforming the future is in language translation. Google Translate is an AI-powered tool that can translate text, speech, and images from one language to another. Google Translate uses deep learning, a subset of machine learning that involves training neural networks to learn from large amounts of data. Google Translate can translate over 100 languages, making it a valuable tool for businesses and individuals alike. With Google Translate, users can communicate with people from different countries and cultures, breaking down language barriers and promoting global communication. Google Search. Lastly, we can't talk about Google's AI without mentioning Google Search. Google Search is the world's most popular search engine, and it uses AI to provide users with the most relevant search results. Google's AI can understand the user's search query and provide results based on the user's location, search history, and other factors. In addition, Google's AI is constantly learning and improving, thanks to a process called deep learning. Deep learning involves training neural networks on massive amounts of data to identify patterns and make predictions. This allows Google Search to provide more accurate and personalized search results, making it an indispensable tool for users around the world. In conclusion, Google's AI is transforming the future in many ways, from healthcare to finance, language translation, and more. With its advanced machine learning algorithms and natural language processing capabilities, Google's AI is enabling new possibilities for businesses and individuals alike. As AI continues to evolve, we can expect even more exciting developments from Google and other companies in the AI space. However, there are also some concerns around the use of AI, such as the potential for bias in AI algorithms and the impact on jobs. It's important for companies like Google to address these concerns and ensure that their AI systems are transparent, ethical, and responsible. Overall, it's clear that Google's AI is transforming the future in many positive ways. From improving healthcare outcomes to breaking down language barriers and enhancing our online experiences, Google's AI is changing the way we live, work, and communicate. As we move into an increasingly digital world, AI is set to play a central role in shaping our future, and Google is at the forefront of this exciting transformation. Thank you for watching this video on how Google's AI is transforming the future. If you found this video informative, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. And if you have any comments or questions, please leave them in the comments section below.